I'm on a mission to uncover the craziest travel secrets that are so unbelievable, you won't even think they're real. Imagine being able to travel the world without breaking the bank, or knowing the secret spots that only locals do. Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, these travel secrets are out there, and they're about to change the way you travel forever. Get ready to have your mind blown, because we're about to dive into some of the most amazing travel secrets that will make you wonder how you ever traveled without them. From hidden gems to expert tips, we're covering it all. Let's start with the fact that many airlines offer error fares that can take you around the world for pennies on the dollar. I've stumbled upon a mistake fare that allowed me to fly from New York to Tokyo for under $20. Sounds crazy, but it's true. Another secret is that many museums offer free admission on certain days of the week or month. For instance, the Louvre in Paris is free to visit on the first Sunday of every month. Some hotels also offer free upgrades and perks if you know how to ask for them. A simple request for a room with a view can sometimes get you a complimentary upgrade. And did you know that some countries offer free accommodation and food to travelers if you stay for a certain number of days? For example, in some parts of Japan, you can get a free night stay and a meal if you agree to help with local farm work. I've faced my fair share of skepticism when it comes to these travel secrets. Some of these tips seem too good to be true, and I've often wondered if they're just myths. But the more I dug, the more I realized that they're actually real and can make a huge difference in your travels. One of the most astonishing travel secrets I've come across is that you can fly for free using a technique called hidden city ticketing. This involves booking a flight with a layover in your desired destination, but continuing on to a different city. By doing so, you can sometimes save hundreds of dollars on flights. For example, a flight from Los Angeles to Chicago might be $500, but if you book a flight from Los Angeles to New York with a layover in Chicago, you can get it for $200. The impact of these travel secrets on my travels has been enormous. I've saved thousands of dollars on flights, accommodations, and activities, and I've discovered new destinations that I never would have considered before. My travels have become more spontaneous, more adventurous, and more affordable. Using these travel secrets has also changed my perspective on travel. I used to think that traveling was expensive and exclusive, but now I realize that it's accessible to anyone who knows the right tricks. I've met fellow travelers who have used these secrets to explore the world on a shoestring budget, and it's been inspiring to see. If you're as excited as I am about these travel secrets, I want to hear from you. Share your favorite travel secrets in the comments below, and let's get the conversation started. And if you're looking for more travel tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video where I will be sharing even more secrets to help you travel like a pro.